today I'll be singing a song with my dad. So it's a song about the virus, COVID-19. So I just wanted to say that you should stay safe from the virus and do not go outside. Only if you really have to, because it's not that safe being outside. So let's sing. Wash, wash, wash it